first time. Look, he's being so good. Yes.
There you go. Good boy.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Yes, that's so awesome. He totally took it first time.
Mm-hmm.
Good, Dad, you're doing so good.
Mm-hmm. We're good at bonding.
Baby getting feeded for the first time by Daddy. Here you go. Good boy. Now you don't really need me.
Who's gonna pump?
True.
I'm not gonna get this at the store.
He loves it. I'll be so interested to see how much he actually drinks.
It's kind of drooling all over his chin now. I
That's
wonder
okay.
if he's done.
No, let him do it until he turns away. He'll turn away or pull away.
Okay.
He's hungry.
He's a good boy.
Yeah.
I know that woman said that he'd really have to work at getting it out.
He's really good at it.
Not really a problem at all.
No, it's totally coming out.
Yeah, it's coming out so much it's drooling all over him.
He loves it. He's a strong guy.
Mm-hmm. He's had a lot of practice.
I know. Yay.